Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this sponsor product from Delta. This is Nicoli series and this is bridge faucet and it has pull down. So this is really unique design. I never seen this design before. So this is, if you are looking for something different, that is absolutely gorgeous piece right here. So let's go over some basic features of it and how to install it. So I'm just going to talk about it real quick. So once you take it out, you can see here there is a marking here which shows Delta, which will face front. So this is how you would install it. So one of the best feature with Delta product, you get all the hose already attached to the unit, so you don't have to worry about getting additional hose, or it just take out all the guessing game. So this is really like, it's kind of heavy. You just feel the build quality right there as soon as you hold in your hand, and the knobs here feels really extremely like smooth. It just feels so good when you turn it. It's just very nice. You don't put much effort. Very cool. And over here, this thing, the head can just turn 360. That is really cool. And on the spray head, let's see what we have over here. We have this spray head. You can see you have two options here, and you can see it has rubber piece on the hole. They claim that you can just easily clean them with just a swipe of your hand here, just like that. So this is what you have, and once you are done and you just let it go, it will just go and it will just click where it's supposed to go. It has a magnet here. It will just stay there. It's not gonna just keep hanging like this. So that is really cool. Every time it will just go sit in its place. So you have some other stuff for the installation. This goes underneath. Once you install the thing, this will just go inside. Make sure that this rubber piece goes under this before you install it on the counter, so it doesn't go under. So when you install it, first you just guide through in this with the hole and just place it inside securely. Make sure it's in its place, all three, and then you just put it on your countertop. Then with this you would be able to just with the screw, you can just secure it on its place. So that is very important to just use the rubber piece. And over here you have a weight for the pull down. So the way you would install this, it goes on the middle hose right here, and you would just install it while it is on its place resting state, and you would just install it around like midpoint here, so that once it's all the way up, it can just pull it back with the weight. So here, if you can just play around with it, it's no big deal. Actually, you can just put it just like that here and close it, and you're ready to go. If you see it doesn't pull it well, you can just open it, slide it down, and just play around and see what is your comfort level, where you want it to be. So that's how it is. Also, you have this Y connector, so these will go right here. You would just connect these here, and then the other part, which is where is this one, you would just plug it in here and just click it, and you will just do your installation. So overall, really nice quality. The build quality, it feels really nice. It says fingerproof resistant. You can see I am touching everywhere and doesn't leave any fingerprints, so that is cool. Overall, I like the way it looks. I hope you guys will like it as well. Thank you for watching.